Hello, in today's video we're gonna replace the reverse bulb light in the second generation Tacoma. That means Tacomas from the model year 2005 up to 2015, and the tools to be used are pretty simple. Literally it's just a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and your bulb light. In this case this looks like blue, but it's not blue, it's quite light. Okay, and we're gonna start removing 2mm bolts. One is this one at the top and the other one is the one at the bottom. There is another one here. We don't need to remove that one. It's the one at the very bottom and at the top. Have the first one here, and then this. Second. Now I need to push the tail light out, and to do that without break anything, I'm gonna try to make it basically following the line of the chassis without like bend it or twist it in any weird way. There you go. My reverse light or bulb light is the one at the very bottom, this one. I unscrew the thing, pull out the bulb, bring the new one, place it back, and just screw the thing back again. There you go. And this one is snapped off. This guy should be here. There you go. And to place by the tail light, there are two pins. One is this one, the other one is here, that they go aligned, or they have to fit in two holes. One is this one, and obviously for the bottom there's another one at the bottom one. Just be sure that you align those, which is what I'm gonna do now. There you go. And then just push the tail light against the chassis. There you go. Finally, I just need to place back my two bolts. This one is done. And this one is done too. Finally, just to check that everything is fine, I'm gonna open the switch, put the reverse, and check that the bulb light is turning on in the way that it should. Well, it's working fine, there is no problem, and if that is the case, basically we're finishing with the video. I hope this video is useful for you guys, save you some money. If that is the case, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.